Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe. And please don't forget to ring the bell. To make this vegan butter, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. It's just approximate. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And enough turmeric just to color it. So that's only like about 1/8 of a teaspoon. And some Himalayan salt. If you'd like for flavor, you could add some granulated garlic or some granulated onion. Now I'm just going to mix this up. Okay, so I've mixed it up, and if you would like it smoother than that, you could melt it down a little bit maybe. Now if you want to make individual servings, you could put them in a mold like this. I'm just going to put it in this small plastic container. And there you have a healthy, nutritious vegan butter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.